Echozen is being promoted as a natural hearing support solution that claims to reduce tinnitus, improve clarity, and boost overall ear health. But the real question is whether it actually works or just sounds convincing. The product is typically sold as a hearing support supplement or ear drops, using ingredients like herbal extracts, vitamins, and antioxidants that are supposed to improve blood flow to the inner ear and support auditory nerves. Now, the idea behind this isn't completely fake. Some ingredients commonly used in these formulas, like ginkgo or certain vitamins, are linked to circulation and nerve health, which can play a role in hearing. However, here's the key issue. There are no strong clinical studies proving that Echozen itself improves hearing or cures tinnitus. Most of the positive claims come from the brand's own website or promotional reviews, not independent medical research. There are also some red flags around the product itself. The official website has a very low trust score and limited transparency, which raises concerns about reliability. User experiences are mixed. Some people report mild improvements like reduced ringing or better comfort, but others say the results are minimal or take a long time to notice. It's also important to understand that hearing loss and tinnitus are complex medical conditions. Real treatments usually involve hearing aids, therapy, or professional diagnosis, not just a supplement or drops. So, does Echozen actually promote better hearing? It might provide mild support at best, but it's not a proven or reliable solution. The bottom line is that Echozen is likely a legit supplement with some real ingredients, but heavily overhyped with weak scientific backing. So expectations should be kept realistic. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.